Samsung just officially unveiled the Galaxy unpacking event will happen on August 5. A 15-second teaser released by Xiaomi shows the new S Pen melting. You have to see it, it's beautiful. Showing the S Pen and also the bronze color coming in various Galaxy devices including the Note 20 lineup. And talking about the Beast Note 20 Ultra, just a few hours back we saw how the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra look in real life images thanks to Jimmy's promo. But now, thanks again to him, here's a very high quality live video look at the Note 20 Ultra. Usually, leaks looks like taken by a 3-year-old kid with a VGA camera on hand, but this here looks sharp and detailed. As you can see in this video, the Note 20 Ultra is just right beside the blue Note 10 Plus. This beast has a menacing look to it. I wish Samsung would have made a matte black version of it. That would just look extraordinary. But anyway, this video also reveals the same thing I just talked about in my previous video, that it will sit with Android 10 and One UI 2.5 experience on top. As I told you earlier, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will have the S Pen and the speaker grill in the opposite side of the phone when compared to the Note 10 Plus. As he shows us in the video, the S Pen is actually similar in terms of dimension, which is a good thing. The S Pen can now act like a desktop mouse-like pointer. The color and the speed of the cursor is changeable. It will also offer show trail option. We already heard the S Pen will have similar kind of latency to what Apple Pencil offers, which will make the Note 20 Ultra even more productive. I'm really excited about it. I really love the Note series design anyway. This Note 20 Ultra will have the flat top and bottom. And you may or may not like it, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will have even more bigger bump than already a huge bump on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. After all, it's the Ultra of the Galaxy Note. I think that kind of makes sense. Talking about the bump, it will offer a 108 megapixel sensor of the Galaxy S20 Ultra with laser autofocus system to improve the focus issue found in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It will also come with a 13 megapixel 50x periscope zoom camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. But one thing I would say, the Note 10 Plus with the no bump camera housing, it looks more sophisticated and beautiful. It's a peak of Samsung's design capabilities. But the Note 20 Ultra looks just like the more of a beast version of the Note 10 Plus, which indeed is a good thing. If you like this kind of presentation and quality contents I'm making, please hit the like button and please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.